case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1904, the Supreme Court of the United States examined a compelling case, Slater v. Mexican National Railroad, which shined a spotlight on international legal boundaries in cases of personal injury. The case pivoted around a critical principle. The law of the place where an injury occurs determines the legal obligations stemming from that injury. This meant Mexican law, not Texan or Coloradan law, should guide the case because the fatal incident took place in Mexico. The lawsuit originated from a tragedy on the tracks. A Colorado corporation that runs a railroad from Texas to Mexico found itself under legal fire when Texas residents filed a lawsuit over the death of William H. Slater. Slater was killed due to the corporation's alleged negligence while working as a switchman on the Mexican-based railroad. The plaintiffs drew upon Article 301 from Book 2 of the Mexican Penal Code, which holds individuals civilly liable for breaking the law, and thus argued Mexican statutes should govern their case against the corporation. Unsurprisingly, the corporation disagreed, pushing the legal dispute into a courtroom. The initial trial court ruling stuck closer to home, instructing the jury to calculate the award of damages based on Texas law. This judgment, however, couldn't stand against the appeal process. The Circuit Court of Appeals reversed the decision and dismissed the case under the argument that Mexican law, rather than Texas law, should apply. This led to a second wave of appeals from the plaintiffs, who argued the Circuit Court had overlooked a crucial element: the expert deposition from a Mexican lawyer regarding the intricacies of Mexican legal principles. Eventually, reaffirming the Circuit Court of Appeals decision, the Supreme Court echoed that Mexican law should dictate the proceedings. The decision rested on several key points. Mexican law, unlike Texan law, couldn't be sidestepped with a lump sum payout. More importantly, the stark differences between Texas and Mexican legal systems made it untenable to continue proceedings in a Texan court. Additional challenges arose from the defendant's location in Mexico and the indeterminate nature of its penal liability in a case of negligent homicide. Interestingly, the court recommended the often overlooked deposition from the Mexican lawyer, an expert in his field. The Supreme Court's affirmation wouldn't just decide Slater v. Mexican National Railroad, but would echo in the annals of U.S. law regarding personal injury claims in foreign territories.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.